Good morning and welcome to Schein Chats, where we're bringing Team Schein members together with industry leaders across our business units. We're broadcasting live from the Henry Schein Pavilion here at the Greater New York meeting. This morning, I'm John Cox. I'm sitting this morning with Cody Coonradt, with 3M. And we're here to continue the discussion on how we're helping our practitioners move and adopt digital dentistry. So, Cody, thanks for joining us this morning.
I'm glad to be here, John.
And maybe we'll start with, share with us a little bit of 3M's vision is how you see maybe bringing together your commercial, your merchandise side of the business with the digital and helping dentists adopt digital technology and move them forward.
Sure. So as everybody knows, 3M has a long history in oral care. We've been committed to both the dental and the orthodontic market. And we're really looking at what's coming next, not just in terms of the next materials or the next adhesive, but what's coming next in terms of the whole procedure. And so we're understanding and we know that a key part of that is going to be the digital workflow. And so 3M's really focused on that. We have the True Definition scanner today.
Right.
We have a variety of other products. We have our Incognito appliance system that's a fully digital workflow. So that's a lingual bracket system. It's behind the teeth.
Okay.
Completely digital manufacturing process. So 3M, not just in terms of where we've been, but we also see where it's going. We see practitioners want to take those analog procedures and they're looking for ways for more efficiency, better predictability. And so we have a variety of solutions we're looking at to look at proceduralizing kind of these digital workflows. So not just one product or one particular piece, but integrating the digital experience with the consumable products.
You know, I think it's fantastic, number one. And
we're excited about it.
Two is obviously you've got a great brand reputation in the industry for many years. The orthodontic space, tell me a little bit about the Incognito and leveraging technology to move along and make the process simpler for the patient, and obviously invisible brackets are a big deal, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Nobody wants to see brackets on their teeth.
Yeah. So 3M, our Unitech division, now part of our 3M oral care business, has a long history of innovation in orthodontics, from brackets and wires and self-ligation. And now what we're seeing in orthodontics is a move towards more aesthetic solutions that will still deliver the clinical outcomes. Whereas certain solutions may not have the ability to move teeth in certain directions. They may still be aesthetic. Doctors are looking for both control and aesthetics. And so the Incognito system, we've had that for a number of years, and they're beautiful custom designed brackets that sit on the insides of the teeth. And then you have a robotic bent wire that's actually used to place that in the mouth. And that's just one example. We also have our Clarity bracket system, which is a beautiful aesthetic ceramic bracket that sits on the facial surface of the teeth. And there are all kinds of opportunities to look at bringing digital to the patient intake, to records capture, to digitizing the teeth, and then actually going through and digitizing that whole workflow all the way through production and shipping.
So definitely digital is coming on big time in the ortho space.
Absolutely.
3M has always been known for its innovation. I think it's one of the your mainstays in what you bring to the market, right?
I think so, yep.
Recently, you have brought a advancement to the True Definition with the Dentrix Connected, and connecting into the practice management software. Tell us a little bit about how you see that, the importance of that recent announcement, which is really being launched here at the Greater New York meeting.
Yeah, it is, and we're really excited about the collaboration with Henry Schein. So 3M's been rated the most innovative dental company for the last 10 years. We're really proud of that achievement, and we know that those principles of innovation around cross-functional teams and working closely with customers, they translate not just from the merchandise side, but really to the digital side as well. So we've noticed a need that doctors are looking for better integration across their practice. They want to be able to take a scan from the True Definition and import it and see it as part of that holistic patient record in Dentrix. And so we've collaborated with the Henry Schein team, the Dentrix team, the DDX team, and that really gives the doctor better visibility to what's happened with that patient, not just in that particular case, but more of that long-term treatment plan view.
So on the same topic, the True Definition impression scanner, some recent innovation. You launched a month and a half ago, and you brought a new form factor to the marketplace in mobile, and it's over your shoulder if you hadn't seen it.
That's correct. So it's a little change. It's a little change that we've made.
So tell us how you see that impacting maybe the efficiency of the workflow within a practice and some of the features that it will bring to the marketplace.
Sure. So maybe it's our Midwestern roots a little bit as 3M, but we tend to downplay ourselves a little bit. With the True Definition, we really tried to focus on innovation that is maybe hard to appreciate until you're using the device. So we spend a lot of time with our customers, and you'll notice we continue to reduce the size of the wand, we continue to improve how fast it scans. And now a lot of the feedback we got was we want it to integrate with practice management, and we want it that it's small enough to fit in any one of these operatories here in Manhattan. And so we've really tried to take all of the power and all the innovation that makes it really easy to use, where we've got this really nice price point that's very accessible for everyone, and put it into a form factor that can really fit into any office.
Oh, it's very exciting. We've seen it in action, and in the response, the patient interaction, being so close to the patient, and I've seen actually one practitioner put it in the hands of the patient, where they actually grabbed onto it and saw their smile or their teeth moving and spun it around, and it was impressive, right? It's a bit of a wow factor for this whole digital movement, where patients see their teeth larger than life, and it's their eyes bug out and they get pretty excited about it.
Design is becoming an important kind of leg of the stool alongside innovation and engineering at 3M. And you'll see our new branding is science applied to life, really focusing on how do we take these technologies and how do we bring them to practical things. And design plays a big part of that. All of the pieces you see here were really intentionally designed. We went through a lot of different iterations of how do you take a tablet and put it in the office. And it's not just about plugging a wand into it and shipping it. The handles and even the angle of the screen are really designed to actually create an emotional connection and draw you in. You want to come up and hold the device. And that really came out of our new design center and our collaboration with our 3M design group. So we're
Fabulous.
seeing that innovation continue as well.
Fabulous. As we, digital technology, we talk about what we bring to the marketplace from Henry Schein. We reference three things. One is we want to enhance the patient experience. Digital is all about enhancing what you referenced. Two is about creating the efficiencies within the workflow, within the practice, so they become more productive. And the third piece is delivering a more predictable, consistent quality of care, and I think you're delivering on all three of those. And we're happy to be partners in delivering it alongside of you, and it's an exciting time. And any other comments that you'd like to, as we close out and wrap up this Schein chat this morning?
No, absolutely. I think we very much appreciate the collaboration with Henry Schein, and you and I have worked together for a number of years. And I think what we're most excited about is we really feel that we're just now on the tipping point where digital is becoming not seen as something new, but seen as something that's essential to the practice. We all interact with digital experiences in our everyday lives, and as patients and practitioners, we've come to expect that we're going to have those same consumer digital experiences in clinical care. So we're excited because we feel like we're just on the cusp of that explosion. So.
Well, we're equally excited, and we're equally excited to take the journey along with you. So we appreciate you joining us this morning for Schein Chat. We look forward to continued success and moving the needle in digital adoption with all of our practitioners. With that, I would say thank you for joining us this morning on Schein Chats. We look forward and welcome you back for the next segment, which will be later on today.